Welcome back to Kawaii Toy Collector. In today's video, I'm doing a different type of video than what I usually post, which is slime or no-glue slime recipes. Today's video is going to be all about thrifting and my recent thrifting finds. This was going to include Lalaloopsy, as you can see behind me, Monster High, LPS, and so many other different toy brands. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last video is... So please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Collector in the comments down below. Give us some new ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so the past few months I've been thrifting so often, like at Savers in my local Salvation Army, but I've also been shopping online at mostly Mercari, but also Facebook Marketplace and eBay, where I've been bidding or buying toy lots like this one behind me for super cheap. So I thought I would dedicate a video to everything I've bought in recently in the past few months. I really started in January to go thrifting as often as I can and just to try to find dolls and toys I used to have when I was younger. And now I have so many new things, so I thought I'd show you guys today where I found them and some thrifting advice I can give to you guys. So first off, I want to say first one thrifting advice I'd give you guys is to go thrifting on the days where your store restocks. So for me, my local Savers restocks around Monday or Tuesday, so I always go into there and that's where I find the best finds ever. In Salvation Army, it's usually the weekend, so I'll try going on a Monday as well. But look at your store hours, maybe talk to a worker there and be like, hey, when do you guys restock? And you'll find some great items when everything is brought in. So my second piece of advice would have to be for Mercari, Facebook Market, or eBay, and that is to have notifications on. So on Mercari, I'm gonna leave a picture over here. You can save hashtags or certain searches you want. For me, my searches I have saved is Monster High, Lalaloopsy, LPS slot, and it sends me a notification right when something is newly updated or something is put up to buy, and that's how I always get good items right away and I can bid for things I want. And I believe you can do this with eBay as well. I don't shop there as much. I've gotten a few things, but Mercari is my favorite place ever. That's where I find everything great. But other than that, really talk to sellers on these apps, try to lower prices and be kind, because kindness really goes to such a great distance. Whenever I'm kind to sellers, I swear they give me good shipping rates, or they'll lower an item for me. Recently I bought a Monster High doll, which I'll show you guys right now. I bought this girl right here, and she was going for, I believe, $50, and I got her for, I think, $25. So just be nice to sellers, and they'll lower prices for you. So now that I shared some of my favorite tips and tricks on how to get great prices and thrift store advice, I'm gonna get into some of my recent hauls and items I've gotten from either Mercari, Facebook Market, eBay, and thrift stores. So let's start out. So I'm gonna start out with the play sets. As you can see, I have a lot of LPS play sets. I actually had this one when I was younger. It's the Littlest Pet Shop Love and Playhouse, and it's so cute, and it has mostly everything in here. It's missing one of the items right here, but I got this from Savers for $4. So the price is amazing. If you wanted to buy this off of Mercari, it'd be around $10 to $15. Same with these two play sets. I got this one for $5 and this one for $6. So it really depends on the thrift store and what the workers are putting the price for. But these play sets are in such great condition. This one I got with my friend Sierra. Same with these ones. I go to the thrift store near her house, which is a Savers, and I swear that store has the best items. Right here is a 1998 original Barbie dollhouse, and guess how much I got this for? Guess. I got it for $10, which is so great because I saw it recently sold on eBay for around $80. So crazy. And same with this dollhouse right here. Is a Calico Critters one. And here is the Barbie dollhouse. It's so cute. It came with some food items and even some Shopkins, which was a really funny addition. And the phone and stuff works I believe it works like that. And this actually swivels around. And if I press this button over here, something else works. I think it might be the boombox works. which is very funny, but it has like the bunk beds, and this bed pulls out and stuff, and it turns into like a bathtub, but super cute and such a great find. Okay, moving away from playsets now, I'm gonna go into Monster High dolls. So these up here are Creep production dolls. I picked this one off from Facebook Marketplace, and these ones I got from the Mattel website because they are the newest ones. There will be a re-release of the original, I believe, 4 in September, so stay tuned for that. Then these dolls over here, I picked up most of them from Mercari, and when I tell you guys, I got a lot of them from lots. I got some of them for maybe $15, like that Claudine back there, I got her for $15. These few I got in a lot. Actually, this one I got from my cousin Amanda for free, so you know, you can always ask family and friends if they have any extra toys laying around. But even like Viper in right here, I got her for I think $30, but that's because she has like all her accessories basically. But Mercari was basically where I got most of these Monster High dolls. But there is some of them. I still have a few which more I have. Like I have Sour Screams over here. This is like a G2 or 3 Laguna. I have the teacher, like it's obviously not her outfit, a G2 or 3 Frankenstein. And then I bought this operetta, and I noticed this isn't even her outfit, so I gotta look around for those. But I even have the dollhouse, not dollhouse, but the school over here, which I got off of, I think, Facebook Market for 20 bucks. So again, just looking around at different places I can get things from. Again, I have the bed right here. I don't know why I couldn't think of saying that. And this is just Draculaura's bed, and it's like a little makeup like storage thing as well. And now I'm gonna move on to LPS. So for LPS, all these ones you see over here I got for free. It was from my neighbor. She was so kind to tell my mom that she had a few toys in her garage when she was cleaning it out, because my mom mentioned to her, she's like, hey, I know you're gonna be doing a yard sale and stuff, just like text me if you have any extra toys. And she found all of these original LPS from I believe 2008, so just so cool. I have these, and look at that, it used to be $5 at Walmart. So funny. And again with LPS, I have like the miniature sets right here, like this is the LPS tiniest sets. Then over here in these storage things, I have a lot from when I was younger. Like this one was when I was younger, same with this one, but I have some of the newer ones. And then I got some at Burlington, like these like glittery ones right here I got from Burlington. And then I got a lot from Savers. That's where a lot of these came from, and the lot was maybe like $5. And then I got some from flea markets, like this one right here is from a flea market. But really, I haven't really paid so much on LPS. I am looking at a lot at the moment that is on Facebook Market for kind of a lot of money. It's like $200, and I'm trying to get it down to maybe $150, and it comes with so many toys. I'm gonna pop a photo over here to show you guys what it is, but hoping I can get. And then again for LPS, I have this, which I got off of Mercari. Mercari is my favorite, if you couldn't tell yet, and I got this for I think $5. It was like a lot of like the little ones in here. So and something I got recently as well was actually this Polly Pocket little vanity like playset, and it's like an actual house and stuff. And I got this off of Mercari for $30. It has the original accessories in it and everything, and it's just so unique and so adorable. I didn't really play with Polly Pockets growing up. I mean, I did, but this is from like 1989, I believe. And even up here at my gaming desk, which is so messy, I have another Polly Pocket little playset right here, and I got this one for $5, and this is from, what year does that say? 1989 as well. So super cute, and I got this for $5, and it's a really great deal. This like cute tin back here I got for like $4 off of Mercari, and like a bunch of random things like these My Little Ponies I got for $1 at the Savers near me. And that Fortnite little thing back there, I got that for free from Savers. A lady just gave it to me, so I just try to get good deals and everything. Yeah, but even before I would buy like more Lalaloopsy stuff, like this came from another lot I got a while ago, super cheap. I have this lunchbox I had when I was younger, I found on Mercari. You can tell I love Mercari so much, I've been talking about it the whole video. But over here is more stuff. I got this from, I believe, Facebook Market. It's a Bratz like I just turned 21 in April, so I had to get her for Chloe, and then some more play sets I got off of eBay. These were like $10 each, just original ones, and some more Bratz dolls. But yeah, I feel like that's really the whole video. Those are all the newest things I got from thrifting, Mercari, Facebook, eBay. I feel like you can find all the best deals on there. The finds I got recently was these La-Di-Da dolls. I got both of these for $10, so a really great deal. And this is super random, but from Burlington I found this Monster High nail polish set from like 2012. Then from like Savers I found this like Polly Pocket set for like a few dollars. So really, I just love like thrifting and stuff. It's so much fun for me, so I'm always looking around at different places for things. Alright, I've been yapping so much about everything else, but now I'm going to get into the biggest thing which I collect, which is Lalaloopsy dolls. These I've been collecting since I was younger, and again, I lost so many of them, and now my collection has grown so much. So I'm going to get into my most recent purchase, which was this lot of mini Lalaloopsy dolls, which I got for $200. It's a lot of money, I know, it's so much money, but if I bought everything like individually, it would be over, I believe, $800 to $900. So I feel like I saved a lot of money on that. But let's get right into this. So these are all the mini Lalaloopsy dolls. I counted, I believe I have 87 of these. So cute. I even have like the yarn hair ones. We have like the fairy tale line. A lot of these are like super rare to find. Like this is a snow cone one, and she's so cute. Then we have like it's like a Stitch girl. She was from around Halloween time. But so many. We even have these like limited edition like gold ones. This was like one of the newer series. It's like the glittery. This is my favorite one. This was Rosy Bumps and Bruises. But just got so many of these. And we even have the little sisters over here. And then as well as that, here's all of the little pets. Super cute. I'm just keeping them in these bags for now, and then their accessories as well. Yeah, but that's kind of like a detailed little update on all these. And then I have some play sets over here. This is for the miniature one, which is right here. This is Jewel Sparkles, I believe. We have the dollhouse, the school bus, the Ferris wheel, the really cute tree house. Then this is like a collector's bag, and in here we have the babies, which I wasn't collecting them anymore when these came out, but these are so cute. We have some more accessories in here, and then these accessories actually go to, I like to call these like the teenage versions of mini Lalaloopsies. It's so cute. We have crumble sugar cookie, this one right here, but they're so cute, and they're really hard to find. Like, I saw them selling on Mercari for like $20 each, so I was super happy to see this in the slot. Yeah, but I was so shocked to find this on Mercari. I got it the other day. I woke up in the morning and I found a notification that there was a lot that just uploaded. And it was from Rhode Island, which if you don't know, I'm from Massachusetts. And I could do like local delivery. So I saved so much from doing that. And I got it the same day I purchased it. So crazy. So another little like helpful tip is to look at local deliveries for Mercari. Yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video today. I had so much fun filming it. If you guys like videos like these, please comment down below because I have so much fun finding new finds to show you guys. And if you collect toys like me and you're older and stuff, it's really fine. I think collecting is so much fun, and no matter what age you are, toys are for everyone. I collect them just because they bring me so much nostalgia and they make me so happy, and I just think they're so cute. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. And remember to comment down below some really good video ideas because I want to get posting so much more for you guys. So please give me some ideas below. But guys, bye guys, love you so much, and peace and thumbs up for more videos. Bye!